Hey everyone, I just wanted to let you know that I'm busily making videos in the background and totally working my butt off for the school and really making the school project going very, very well and giving them a good result. So I'm doing lots of filming, and look, the last couple of weeks hasn't been great for me. I just have been a little bit unwell, and a few other things have happened, and a few, just life things have happened, and, spending some time with the family and a little bit of a break as well. So I've been away for basically a few weeks, but look, behind the scenes, I've been right into it. So don't you worry, 2023 is going to be amazing with content. In regards to the school oval especially, the irrigation is finally in, so I'll be able to do some work there soon and really get that happening as well. So while I got you here, I just wanted to thank you for your support over the last, 6 odd years of Lawnporn and throughout 2022. It's been amazing, and really thank you for that. And 2023 is just going to be an amazing year for Lawnporn, and I'm working hard to give you the best content possible. Okay, Lawnies, from my family to yours, I wish you a safe and happy new year and all the best for 2023.
So, wow, that's hard work. If you enjoyed the content, be sure to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. It helps me grow. And get your lawn on, everybody.